You're welcome, guys. Welcome to my channel. All right, so as you can see my banners now. I want to share this update with some of us. Okay, I want to share it. All right, Engine Win is still the best platform. Okay, it's not an investment because you put your money and you play game with your money. It's not like money doubler or something like that. No, if you play games. Okay, so if you are just coming across my channel, this is Journey for Christ channel. Okay, this is channel, okay, where you earn free money, where you see free update that you can make money from. As you can see, this no investment, you can make money without investment. Okay, this is the first video I did about this game of a thing. Okay, people don't believe. Okay, I do a lot of things here. Okay, I do airdrops, I do, okay, you can see my playlist. Okay, the playlist for investment. Okay, airdrop, make money, free lifetime data, financing, AI tools. I make a lot of money with AI. Okay, graphic design, Facebook marketing, okay, website design, a lot of things you can learn from this channel. So please, guys, if you are just joining this channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the subscribe button, okay, like the video so that you can be among my doing my giveaway time, you can earn more. Okay, so let's go straight to the main thing while we are here. So this is a game. This is a game. You play game and you win while playing game. So interesting. I've played a lot of games and I've won a lot. Okay, so the link, don't worry, the link to register is attached, okay, to the description link. The link to register is attached. Okay, if you have not joined, try and join now. A lot of goodies. So once you click that link, the link will land you here. Okay, once you click the link will land you here. Can you see? Okay, you put your mobile number, your email, generate a password. Make sure that this code is there because this code will let you get 20% of any money you deposit. You are going to get extra 20% of any money you deposit on the side. Once you do that, you log in and you play the game with this pattern I'm going to show you. Guys, follow instruction, please follow instruction. Okay, if you are not careful, you can burn all your money, and if you are careful, as I will show you a lot of evidence, you can win a lot of money. Okay, a lot of money. Okay, a single play can win you 150,000 naira. Okay, so maybe you think I'm just blabbling. Okay, let me show you some of the thing. Okay, because I've been playing this game for some weeks now. Let me show you what my people are saying concerning this game. Okay, can you see? I invested 3k. I have made 13.5 in less than 5 minutes. This game is real low. Look at this one. I'll be able to withdraw 50k. Can you see 50k? Is the withdrawal per day is 50k. Okay, I want your account this day. It gave me, okay, she gave me, okay, 5,000 naira that day. Okay, see another person now. I will ask my house to forward the evidence of alert. 35,000 naira. Okay, this person played around 12 a.m. 159,600. He is a pastor. I was wondering that Sunday service would be so awesome. Sunday morning, look at the time, 2:07. I woke up around 6:32 to see it. I was able to withdraw 50k per day. Okay, just a game. I'm sure he did not use up to 3,000 naira to play this game. Okay, let me see. Past game, I tried to place withdrawal. It is pending here. Immediately we are talking, the withdrawal drop. Can you see this is another person 87? Can you see this one? Okay, I just withdraw 48,050. So you can make a lot of money. Okay, these are the playing games. The time for play. I will explain this thing later. Okay, so let's go to this. So once you get in, okay, you get in like this. Okay, I'm using this my pure account. Now you get in. Once you get in, all right, you recharge. Once you do that, you recharge. You deposit. You click on deposit. Okay, yes, confirm. You click on deposit 3,000 naira. We are going to get 900 because you use the link I set for you. Okay, you're going to get it. There are a lot of goodies you need to get from this website. Okay, so you get that. All right, so you pay any amount you want to pay, you pay. Okay, once you make the payment, they will give you 39. Okay, just follow the instructions, very simple. So immediately your money will inflate. Okay, this is how to play the game. Set your bank account. You can download the app if you wish. If you wish to download the app, you can download the app. Okay, you can change your password, game recording, betting. All right, so okay, so let's go. So what you need to do next, okay, I always advise, okay, the game that I'm used to, Okay, you can play any game. I'm used to this Candy Crush, this Gold, Fortune, all this stuff. You can play any game. Okay, so we have to look at the game that you are most familiar with. All right, let's just check this. So before we do all these things, there are things that we need to check. Look at the game time. This is the game time. Look at the game time. This is okay. Now, immediately by 12, I will start a game by 12. Okay. Can you see? Game time is between this time to anybody that play with the after 11:25 will surely lose. That's the recommended betting time. It's not 100%, but it's recommended. Okay. All right. So let me start the game by 12. But let me be inside the game and let me try the game. Okay. Let me click on Candy Crush. What's this one? Okay. I want to start the game by 12. So let's try the game. Okay. And also, there are times they will put game on their Telegram channel. Make sure you join their Telegram channel, okay? Like this 12 now, I did not check. There are games that they have set for us to play, okay? They predict games, okay? This is game section, okay? So I want this thing to reach 12 before I try this game. Let me increase the money. Let me play with 2,000 naira. Please play according to your capacity. You can play with 200 naira. You can play with 60 naira. Okay, so any money you deposit, play according to that money. Okay, this is the money I'm having on my own account, so I can play with any amount I want. All right, so the only thing you just need to press here is this. Okay, is this. So this is 12 o'clock already. Okay, so we can set the game now. Let's check. Okay, nothing. Let's check again. Okay, let me reduce the amount. Let me try this. 1.6. Okay. Okay, it can drop again. By the time this thing drop, I can earn more. Okay, let me see. All right, so this is how you can play the game. If you feel like I'm not winning, you can try another. We are trying another game right now. Okay, let's try another game. Let's see this Ganesha Gold. So just have to follow their timing. Okay, I will show you the Telegram site and show you how they give their game timing experience. Let's check. All right, get started. Now, okay, if you want to increase this timing, click on it. Okay, let me increase it. Let me increase it 600. Let me see 600. Okay, let's play. You keep on playing. So fantastic, 1,800 naira. Okay, so set your timing, set your amount you are using to play. Okay, there's calculation that you need to be doing. Okay, don't be too greedy. But I want to say that it's not working, stop, come around another time. Okay, the more you play, the more you have the chances to always withdraw. 2-4. All right. Okay, so this is how to play the games, and you can be earning massively. Okay, it's because I'm using 600. If I use more than 600 naira, I can earn 150,000 naira right now. Let me change it to 1-2. Let me change it to 1-2. Let me try and use 1-2. Once this 1-2 is, let's see when it's. Come on. 920. I don't want. 2,000 naira. Can you see? That is how it increase. It gets increased. So you can try any of the game. Okay. I'm not leaving the site. So guys, this is their official Telegram channel. You have to be very careful here. This is their official Telegram channel. Okay, can you see? They always give the time. Look at this timing. Look at this time. Okay, they drop this 11:12. Okay, they drop what you need to play. Okay, tournament schedule. Can you see? Highest stake. So let's check another. Can you see this one? Fortune target. You can play Fortune target around 10:03 to 10:41. You can still play this one around this time. So check everything so that you can know the kind of game you play per time. Can you see? They have already put it there. Okay, the kind of game you can play. You have to be coming here to be checking what they have for us. Okay, they used to drop it every minute, every time. Another thing from their group. Can you see? Both games have ton of reward. Yes, if you try that game immediately when they are saying it, you are going to earn. You are going to win. Okay, there are a lot of offers on their app. Okay, so there's something they used to give. Okay, they used to call it. Let me see if it is there. Red envelope. They used to drop more than the envelope here every day. Okay, okay, treasure chest reward. Yes, something like this. Okay, so once they drop it, you can earn a lot of money from it by just clicking. Okay, these are the things you can. So something like this worth 600,000 red envelope. So the earlier you get this, the better. Anybody that rush it will surely earn from you. Just clicking and you log in and you're going to get the award. They can give you 1, 2, 300, 500, 5,000. Okay, so those are the things you can earn from this place. So guys, let me show you how to place withdrawal. So once you have earned any money you have received so far, you can just come here. You have set your bank already. Okay, let's just place withdrawal with this amount of money. Let me place withdrawal. Let me place 31,000 naira withdrawal. Okay, let me put. Okay, let's see. Okay, they have to cut a fee. All right, so let's place withdrawal. Let's remember this password. As you can see, withdrawal has been placed successfully. They said 1 working day. Within some minutes, if this withdrawal will drop. I trust them. Within some minutes now, it will drop. As you can see, guys, the withdrawal is dropped. Can you see it? It has dropped immediately. Okay, it has dropped with immediate effect. All right, it has dropped with immediate effect. Okay, 30,070 after they remove their charges. Okay, so this is lovely, guys. Okay, so let's make more money from this. Okay, you can invite your friends. Okay, their promotion is also very interesting. You can promote. Okay, you can go to the any site, promote, invite friends. Okay, copy your invite nick. All right, copy your invite nick. Okay, so refer people. All right, you have bonuses, commissions that we're giving you. If you invite 100 people, 60k is for you automatically, apart from the 1,000 you're going to earn. Okay, you can invite VIP. You have to grow your VIP. Okay, this is VIP. Immediately you register, you belong to this VIP. If you use 30,000 naira to register, you belong to this VIP. You can withdraw 100k in a day. This one will limit you to 50,000 naira in a day. Study it like that. That's how you can do it, and you can withdraw your money, set your bank account, and boom, let's make money together. Like guys, see you in the next video.